Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and this is Deepak Kumar. Today we are going to discuss question number 2553. Separate the digits in an array. Now this is today's daily question. Now let's get started with the question. Now we are given an array which will contain positive numbers and we have to return an array answer which will contain the digits of each integer of nums after separating them in the order they appear in nums. For example, nums here is 1, 13, 25, 83 and 77. So let's check it out how it will work. Now we will take for some random example for now. Let's take 12, 34, 67, 99 and 100. Now what my answer will be? It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 9, 1, 0, 0. Now we have to, in this question, we have to make sure that first comes 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 6 and 7. Not in digit, it must be interchanged. What will be the approach we will be using? In this question, we will take two vectors. One will store our direct answer, and second vector will store our digits of each number. Like our number is 30, then it will first store 1 and 3. Or but we will be using while loop from the back, so it will store first 3 and 1, and then we will use another loop to inlay 1 and 3 in the main vector of the answer. Now let's get started with the answer. First, we will declare a vector to store result. Now let's start the for loop. Now we will declare a new vector which will store the digits. And now while loop, here we will check if my nums is greater than 0, a test, a condition, so that it doesn't break the loop or goes into infinite loop. Here we will declare a variable a which will store the last digit or ones digit of the number. Now we will push that number into that digit, and now let's update the number. And after it all has been done, now we will push back all the digits into our answer vector. So we will start a for loop. We will start it from the back, as my vectors are stored here are like this for 13, 3 and 1. So we'll start. What here we will do is to push back all the values in the answer. And now let's return the answer. Now let's try the test cases given in the LeetCode. Here you can see all the test cases given here have been cleared. So before checking the test cases of our own, let's discuss something else first. First of all, you might be thinking, why are we using two loops inside a single one. Now for that, let's get back to the whiteboard and there we will discuss this input. So here is my nums. Now if I had started the loop normally of that while loop, then the my digits stored would be like something 3 comma 1, then 5 comma 2, etc. So can't we do something like which will store 1 3 1 then 3 and then some like that? Then the answer is no, because we don't know how long the number will be. It can be like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, or it can be 1, or it can be directly something like 3 digit 2 digit anything. And for that we will have to check each and every number, that how long it's going. So instead of doing that, we are directly taking every digit, storing it in reversed order, then adding it to the answer in the reversed order. Something like we did in the code itself. That first of our answer was empty. Then after 13, it became 1 comma 3, as it was stored 3 comma 1, and we started loop from the last. It stored first 1, then 3. Then after 13, after 25, it became 1 3 2 5, and so on. So now how it works. So let's try some of our own test cases. Then we will try submitting the questions. I am first adding all three digit numbers, and now let's add some big numbers. As our constraints allow up to 10 to the power 5, so we will add digits up to 4 digits, which will contain 4 digits. Let's start with the largest one. Let's try checking out all the test cases first. Let's check out all the test cases first. You can see the test cases we have sent have been cleared. So let's try submitting the question. You can see all the test cases given in the LeetCode has been cleared. So this marks the end of our question of our today's video. If you like the video, then please like our video, subscribe the channel, comment down your thoughts, and for answers, check the description and the comment section. Thank you.